Have you got way too many crazy thoughts and ideas running through your brain all day? Have you figured out a way to capture that craziness and turn it into goodness or potentially new business ideas, side hustles, or just amazing projects that you want to work on? If you haven't, I've got the tool for you. Yes, I think you're going to love it. And that's what I'm going to share in this week's episode of Tech Tool Thursday. So if you're like me and pretty much every single creative person that I know in this world, you are always coming up with ideas. You wake up in the morning, boom, idea. You wake up in the middle of the night, damn it, more ideas. You're out for a jog, holy crap, so many ideas running through your head. How the heck do you capture those in the moment? And more importantly, not just capture them, but have a system for coming back to them later to actually be able to go, that was a genius idea in the moment, or oh my gosh, we're going to delete that one because I never should have thought that one up. Well, the tool that I have in mind for you today and highly recommend because it has taken the cray-cray out of this brain and made it a beautiful thing is Evernote. Yes, Evernote has been around for a long time, but they just keep on making fantastic improvements. So what is Evernote? It is essentially a thought clipper. You can take anything that you see on the web and with the Evernote Chrome extension or the desktop app, you can simply clip something of interest. This could be recipes, photos, blog posts, ideas, even emails, and it will clip the entire screen and save it as a note in your Evernote. Now, that is a very, very cool thing. Think of all the uses for that. Let's say you are wanting to redesign your website. And every single new website that you go to, you see this really cool bit that you just want to emulate and maybe steal for your own or, redo, repurpose. Now, if you were to take down and make note of every single website, you'd probably lose the actual part that you were wanting to look at. And Evernote will allow you to crop just that bit or clip that page. And then what you can do is you can file it under a folder called Website Redesign, where every single note that you save will go under that folder. So guess what? When you go back and go, right, it's time for me to redo my website, have a little makeover, you just go into that folder and every single thing that you have clipped, found, filed, thought of is in there. What's more, you can create your own text note and you can type up ideas while you're in there. I love these brand colors. I thought about this the other day. I think my messaging should be X. Even better, one of my favorite features of Evernote that I'm going to show you is holding down the microphone button and recording audio, which then dictates directly into text. How cool is that? In any note, you can upload photos, videos, audios, anything you want. So your notes can become as full as you wish them to be. It's a pretty full service app. The paid version has even more functionality, but I have survived very well, thank you very much, using the free version. It also allows you to download offline. So, there are times when you're out on that boat and you're like, I wish I could access those genius ideas that I had for a blog post, because right now I could be writing them offline while I'm on this fancy yacht in the middle of the ocean, inspired. And you're like, but damn, I don't have any Wi-Fi. And you're like, oh, but damn, Evernote lets me just access everything offline because it's awesome. Check that might be a paid feature, just saying. So I think if you were one of those people who just has ideas all the time and really is kind of chaotic in how you put those together, then I definitely recommend you check out Evernote. And then you get to take a sigh of relief because now all your crazy, fantastic, beautiful ideas that you've been keeping here and probably in multiple different apps on your phone and bits of paper and scrapbooks and little post-it notes and anywhere you can basically write it down in the moment is now captured in Evernote. Gratitude. Let me know what you think of this tool. Let me know what you think of this video. Comment below with whether you love Evernote or whether you have an alternative that you'd love to recommend and I can check that tool out. Also, hit subscribe because every single Thursday you'll get tech tool recommendations from yours truly. That's it. Why are you still here? Come on. Okay, watch the next video that I've got. It'll come up soon. Thank you, YouTube.